What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone cannot connect to a Wi-Fi and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, if you're having a trouble with your Wi-Fi connection for a couple of time, then first you just need to go over here like this. You have to do like this. Now from here, try turning on the airplane mode. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then you can just turn this off. Then you can just check whether the Wi-Fi is working or not. That's what you have to do as the first step, right? After trying with the first step, still if you're facing the issue, then just follow these instructions. What you need to do is, we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you need to tap on the Wi-Fi. Now what you need to do is, you can see right now, as you can see, this has been connected to this particular Wi-Fi over here. So what I need to do is, over here you can see we have an eye icon there. You just need to tap on that eye icon. Now that's going to take you to this. Go for forget this network. So what happens is, it will be completely gone, and what you need to do is just need to connect back the Wi-Fi once again. You should be knowing the password and all those things. Just connect back. Afterwards you have to check with it. Another one, in the same page over here, what you need to do is, you have to scroll it down. After doing this, still if it's not working, you have to scroll it down a little bit. And you can see there is an option called configure IP. Just tap on this one. Make sure this should be always been set into automatic. That's very important. If this is any other thing, just change this to automatic. Then you just need to go back. Then you have to check whether you are having an issue with this or not. After trying with this, still if you're having the trouble, the next thing is all about, we need to cross check whether you're using any kind of VPN. For that, we just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit and tap on the general. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the bottom over here. You can see we have VPN and device management, and check if any kind of VPN is connected. Sometimes it causes an hindrance, so you just need to make sure the VPN is not connected. If you're having any VPN just disconnected, then you just need to go back, right? You can also try after with this, still if you're facing the issue, you can try two things. Either you can try with a forced restart. So to do so, we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and we have a power button here. You just need to go over here, press and hold it. So let me show you. Let me press the volume up followed by the volume down, and press and hold the power button over here like this. Now as you can see, it will be completely gone, and you can only release the hand from the power button when you see the Apple logo. Now just release it, and you just need to wait, and you have to check, right? You have to check with it, and the forced restart, sometimes it fixes a lot of trouble. So that's why I'm saying sometimes a forced restart can fix a lot of things. So you can check with it, and that might work. Now you can just unlock your phone, and you have to check. And still if you're having an issue with the Wi-Fi, then what you need to do is, you have to click on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. And from here you have to scroll it down, and you have to go to the transfer or reset iPhone. Then go to the reset. Now from here there is an option called reset network settings. After this, what happens is, you have to check. Most probably you have to try connecting once again, and that's definitely going to help you guys out. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.